Hi Big Data people, welcome to Big Data channel BigWiki. So this is Cloudera Hadoop admin real interview questions for the company Kyndryl India. SQL questions. So first one is you are working on a customer data table. It has multiple fields, but some of the entries for range is missing in the table. So you need to write a query to find the missing entries for range in SQL. Second one is a customer table and order table is there. Both had customer ID in common. Each time the delivery people write a query, join query, so from both table and get delivery time and customer address from each tables and do the deliverables. So now some issues have been happened. In the customer delivery time is getting duplicate entries with same customer addresses. So now you need to write a query to find these duplicate entries. Note, they don't want the original data, they just only want the duplicate data, so that we can easily to delete it. Thank you people, thanks for watching Big Data channel BigWiki. Please like, share and comment my channel Big Data channel.